you can now take your seats. Asanteni sana. We also congratulate 29-year-old Nelly Cheboy, the founder of TechLead Africa, who this morning was declared the CNN Hero of the Year for her work in creating computer labs for Kenyan children to access opportunities in the digital world. Congratulations, Nelly, for connecting and inspiring thousands of Kenyan children. As promised, everyone present in this stadium today will get a free scholarship on global entrepreneurship and innovation from the Thunderbird School of Global Management at Arizona State University. It is now time to keep that promise. There is a QR code near you. Umeipata? Scan and access the scholarship now. A 16-unit course that would have costed you 100,000 is now accessible to you for free, courtesy of the Innovation Jamhuri. I also appreciate the firms and organizations which have stepped forward to support our vision to make Kenya the hotbed of innovation. We will continue to do our part and make such partnerships bigger in future, and you are always welcome to be part of Kenya's journey to greatness. As part of this endeavor, KONSA has started the distribution of 23,000 virtual desktops to Tibets to enable students exploit remote job opportunities across Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, we are committed to support young people in re-establishing this country as the Republic of Ideas and the home of innovation. Through a dedicated startup fund, government will support the most innovative ideas each year to scale up into viable enterprises and commercial brands that will provide employment and drive our economic growth. The government of Kenya will work with our academia to establish the Kenya Open University within the next 1 year. I urge our scholars and intellectuals to play their part in democratizing education and open the way for anyone and everyone to quench their thirst of knowledge, education, and training. In line with the new focus of our national celebrations, Embu County will host the 2023 Madaraka Day celebrations under the theme Universal Healthcare. In conclusion, it is our time to make a contribution that will define Kenya for posterity as the envy of nations and the country that we, our children, and their children will be proud to call home. We also have a task of preparing the nation for its future by equipping and empowering our youth to take charge as leaders in a brave new world through innovation. Let us therefore rally and join in our efforts in the timeless spirit of Harambee to exploit the opportunities at hand and hasten our progress into the future. Nasema asanteni sana kwa kunisikiza, na watakia baraka ya Mungu na muwe na Krismasi njema. Mungu awabariki sana. Asanteni, and may the good Lord bless you. Thank you very much.
Nitaomba baada ya hotuba ya Mheshimiwa Rais tuweze kusimama sote. Niombe tusimame sote tafadhali, walioko kwenye uga. Tutamaliza sherehe yetu kwa wimbo wa taifa, na baada ya wimbo wa taifa nitaomba wote walioko kwenye jukwaa rasmi kutulia ili tuweze kutangaza itifaki ya kuondoka.